Need to record a phone call? Whether it's for remembering important details or for legal reasons, it's a feature many of us find useful. Good news for Pixel phone owners. Google is expanding its call recording capabilities. Previously available on newer models like the Pixel 9 and Pixel 10, which also boasts the AI-powered call notes feature for conversation summaries. This feature is now rolling out to older Pixel devices, specifically the Pixel 6 and up. And this is the part most people miss. It's also available on some non-Pixel phones that use the Google Phone app. To access this feature, Pixel users need to be running Android 14 or later and have the latest version of the Google Phone app. You can find the call recording settings by going to Phone Settings, Call Recording. From there, you can set up the app to always record calls or to record calls from specific numbers. But here's where it gets controversial. While Google's support page states that the feature is available on non-Pixel phones running Android 9 and up, it seems to be device-dependent. For example, the feature wasn't available on recent Samsung Galaxy phones, even though they met the software requirements. Google has not commented on this yet. When you're on a call and ready to record, simply tap the record button at the bottom of the screen. The other person will be notified that the call is being recorded. Recordings can be stored indefinitely, or you can choose to have them automatically deleted after 7, 14, or 30 days. What do you think about the expansion of call recording features? Do you find it useful, or do you have concerns about privacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below.